I pulled out a tweet from a couple days ago, February 3rd. Vibe coding is the new product management. Training and tuning models is the new coding.
There's been a shift, a market pronouncement in the last year, and especially in the last few months, most pronounced by Claude Code, which is a specific model that has a coding engine in it, which is so good that I think now you have vibe coders, which are people who didn't really code much or hadn't coded in a long time, who are using essentially English as a programming language as an input into this code bot, which can do end-to-end coding instead of just helping you debug things at the middle. You can describe an application that you want. You can have it lay out a plan. You can have it interview you for the plan. You change this, change that, and have it build you an entire working application without your having written a single line of code. So vibe coding is the new product management. Instead of trying to manage a product or a bunch of engineers by telling them what to do, you're not telling the computer what to do. And the computer is tireless, the computer is egoless, and it'll just keep working. It'll take feedback without getting offended. You can spin up multiple instances. It'll work 24/7, and you can have it produce working output. You might have wanted an application for a very specific thing, like tracking lunar phases in a certain context or a certain kind of personality test, or a very specific kind of video game that made you nostalgic for something. Before, the market just wasn't large enough to justify the cost of an engineer coding away for a year or two. But now, the best vibe coding app might be enough to scratch that itch or fill that slot. So a lot more niches will get filled. And as that happens, the tide will rise.